my god. Yeah, we're dying. Anyway.
Kind of lost here, so.
Facts. Bro, we're actually about to die. So we got Fishing and Joseph, or Juicy. I'll call him Juicy. Let's call him Juicy.
I might sell this PG, so you know.
He's sweating. He's sweating. Let's go shoot! Let's go, easy. Juicy's not even here, bro, and he's gone. He's not even here.
Dead. We're dead. We're not winning.
Nah, bro.
Okay, brother. Well, they're just gonna pass an item.
See, it's not, yeah, for real, bro.
And they're gonna miss.
That's out. Let's go.
Told you they're gonna miss.
All right, pass, right here.
Go back. That's you.
W cuts. Let's go.
Bro, is he gonna?
Hey, that Juicy. I'm recording. Get on the bacon.
Bro, they're Superstar 2, Legend 1, and Rookie 3.
Yeah, but the rookies are alt. What? I thought I was gonna miss.
Come on, guys.
That, oh my god.
Let's do this.
Pass right here.
What? The juke.
Oh shoot. Juicy got that.
Now, bro, it's your corner. What are you, bro?
No, what are you doing, Fountain? Alright. Okay. Bro, that was actually, he's like spin around. No way. Bro, look at that. Look, what is that goal explosion? Like, that's how you know that they're sweats.
That's an OG one.
Pass right here.
I'm wide.
Bro, I'm wide. I'm with us. Bro, pass.
I'm wide.
No, you're not.
Pass the ball. Pass, please. Just pass.
Oh, my.
Oh, I don't know what you
Alright, guys. Fishing, selling right now.
Why is he standing behind the guy?
I was open. You could have passed it to me.
Let me get ball.
I got Legend, Coke. I got Legend.
He's gonna miss. Oh. Alright.
Hey, Carmen.
Yeah?
You get Rookie. I got Legend.
Pass! I'm legit open. I swear.
Who are? I'm wide.
Pass to him. What are you doing?
Carmen.
I'm pulling a fishing.
Nah, so cat. Be quiet. He always sells. Guys, Coco's selling, guys.
I'm gonna call you Chico Bird because
I don't care. Call me Coco.
I'm gonna call you Chico Bird.
He's open. Joseph's open. Juicy's open. Shit. Let's go. Bro, where are you going?
Oh. That was 85. Oh my gosh.
I thought you were saying that you were eating.
Hey guys, do you see what I mean? They're both selling. Like, for real?
Rusty.
Bro.
Let me get ball.
Of course they're back, bro. You see me from you.
No way.
Okay. Oh!
Go! Shoot!
There's no way you missed this. There's nowhere.
I did. Oh my gosh.
Guys, they're selling.
Like, Juicy's actually like... Bro, we never won the Hoopz video. Like, never, bro. We gotta make this our first win.
Yeah, because I always carry, bro. Like, for real.
Dude. Okay, guys, go watch the last Hoopz video. You will see that Fishing got carried on all of his things.
Bro,
give it to Juicy! Give it to him!
And I'm gonna miss.
Bro, then what's the point of me passing?
That was the pass. Pass.
I'm wide. See, he sold that.
W.
I got Legend.
I got Bacon. Let's go!
Yes. God.
Will he sell?
No.
Let's go!
Guys, we're in the lead. We're in the lead right now.
Facts,
Oh,
W.
God.
I got Legend.
Okay, I got Bacon. Mine? What?
This guy always sells. He's so trash.
Alright, okay, then you do something for the team. Let's see it.
This guy's a star in the video. Don't talk trash.
Yeah, bro, don't call me trash. Okay, he's literally open. I'm open. I'm open.
Right here?
Bro,
Oh my.
you...
And you
You didn't tell me to cut or anything. So why are you
Bro,
talking?
I'm
Bro.
open. You see? They're dodging.
Oh my god.
Let's
Nice.
go. Run, just run.
I'm wide,
Oh my
bro.
days.
Carmen, what were you doing?
What am I doing? Okay, yeah, what am I doing?
Yeah, you left him. Like, you have to keep on blocking.
What do you mean I left him? I'm not his father.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we lost, so
Pass it! Maybe you pass.
Alright.
Juice?
Coco
God.
bro, pass to me.
Nah, I'm alright. You're
Exactly.
kind of trash.
Oh my god. Yeah, guys, everybody, Coco sold the game.
Dude, be quiet.
I'm not wrong. Coco, move. I swear.
Why are you so mad, bro? The guys, this is why we don't record a video of fishing, because he gets, like, too competitive.
I'm gonna sell this. Ready? Watch this.
Facts. Like, we already knew he was gonna sell from the beginning, so, like...
Bro, like, only my...
Lag.
Fast,
I'm
fast!
I'm wide.
He's with us. Okay.
Guys, 2 more stops. You have to get 2 more stops.
Okay, bet.
If
We need
Coco,
3. We need 3.
if Coco guards correctly...
Isn't. He's slow. That's why.
Yeah, for real. Wait, you...
Oh my...
Bro, you
That's
see?
what
Why are
I
you getting
know.
so mad at fishing? Oh my god. Guys, we are back. So we got me with 3 points, Fishing with 3 points, and Juice with 9 points. Juice really carried us that game. Let's see the next game. We're blue.
Yeah, we're blue.
Are you guys sure you want to do it?
Like, have you seen Joseph with this map?
Oh, like, as soon as I get the ball, there's no stopping.
Facts. You guys are done. Like a pro. Oh my god. Where's that win streak? Like, look at my win streak. Look at my.
Oh, okay. Oh, nah, Coco has the best win streak
Yeah,
ever.
for you. Look at my win streak.
Keep it dropping it.
Guys, if we win this, then you have to pay me $10. You gotta donate me. Nah, I'm kidding. You gotta like and subscribe on the video. Joseph, who are you chasing?
I'm trying to block him. Oh my gosh. Who are you chasing? You're the one that came to me. You just came to me.
WTV.
Nah, what? No. Who did bro think he is? Who did bro think he is? Who
This guy
did
thought he
bro?
was LeBron was shooting from all of the whole court.
Pass the ball. Pass the
Oops.
ball. Potatoes. That's miss.
Bro, can this guy pass? Like pass?
Well, he's carrying you right now, anyways. Doesn't really matter.
Bro, pass.
Even if you are open, he's not gonna pass.
Oh, I'm open right here.
Oh! Oh!
Guy.
But this guy ever passed, bro? Like for real?
Hey, that.
Yo, pass. Pass. I'm wide.
Slap.
Bro, if this guy... I might.
He's gonna sell.
Dynamic duo. Oh my
The dynamic duo.
Yeah, we're such a...
God. You in the lobby one. Why are you talking?
Okay, bet after this round, Bed Wars Midas. Go, let's go. Pass? No way.
Oh wait, he has lag.
Bro, what does that even mean? He's gonna tell you to sit down again.
What happened?
Okay, Luca, you got no points this game.
Yeah, I did.
Because of dynamic
Pass. Okay, please let us win, bro.
Nah, you always talking that crap, bro. I'm not even gonna cap.
I'm not
Nah.
even doing anything. Why are you
Facts.
talking?
It's a dynamic duo right here. That's why they're beating us. Okay, bet after this round, Bed Wars Midas. Go, let's go. Pass? No way.
Oh wait, he has lag.
Okay, He's gonna be so toxic.
Like, as soon as I get the ball, there's no stopping.
Facts. You guys are